What is the Pomodoro Technique?
The Pomodoro Technique is a simple time management method that helps you stay focused and stress-free. Developed in the late 1980s, it uses short bursts of work followed by scheduled breaks to maximize concentration and prevent burnout. This method gets its name from the Italian word for tomato, inspired by the tomato-shaped kitchen timer originally used to track each session.
How does the Pomodoro Technique work?
The technique is easy to follow. Set a timer for 25 minutes and work on a single task without interruptions. When the timer rings, take a 5-minute break to relax. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15 to 30 minutes. These intervals help maintain focus and give your brain regular, restorative rests.
Reducing stress with structured breaks.
Frequent, scheduled breaks are at the heart of the Pomodoro Technique. Taking breaks reduces mental fatigue and stress, allowing your mind to recharge regularly. This prevents you from feeling overwhelmed, helps you approach tasks with a fresh perspective, and keeps your productivity high throughout the day.
Boosting concentration and productivity.
Working in 25-minute intervals makes it easier to stay on task. The ticking timer creates a sense of urgency, helping you resist distractions. Committing to short, focused sprints also makes large or daunting tasks feel more manageable, so you can accomplish more without feeling drained.
Getting started with the Pomodoro Technique.
To try the Pomodoro Technique, pick a task and set a timer for 25 minutes. Focus solely on that task until time is up. Then reward yourself with a 5-minute break. Repeat this process, taking longer breaks after 4 rounds. Over time, this routine trains your brain for better focus and balance.